Good day everyone, you are welcome to today's tutorial. In this video, I want to show you how to convert shapefile to KML or KMZ file in ArcGIS Pro and open it in Google Earth Pro. So let's get started. In ArcGIS Pro, I have this drainage network. I want to use it to convert it to KML file and open it in Google Earth Pro. The first thing to do is to style the way you want the final result to look like. For example, if I right click and open the attribute of this stream order, so here we can see the attribute of this stream order. We can see stream order 1, order 2 up to stream order 4. So I want to categorize each of these streams based on stream order. So let me close this page, and to do that, right click the layer and open symbology. When it opens, instead of single symbol, click on the drop down and select unique value. Then let's specify the field we want to use to categorize it. I'll click here and select the stream order field. So when I do that, it will bring this page. I can edit the symbol. For example, the stream order 1. So I want to change the color and the symbol. So I'll click on it and come under property. Then the color, I want it to be yellow. And the point, I can leave it at 1, or let's leave it at 2 points, and click on apply. So you can see this order. This is stream order 1. Then I can go back a step and come to stream order 2. I want to style it as well. Then I will change the color. Let me change the color to blue, for example. Then I will change the line width, let's say to 3 points, and apply. So you can see it. Then I will go a step back, and then the stream order 4, stream order 3, I will change the symbology as well. I can change the color, let's say to green, and change the points to 4 and click on apply. So you can see it. Then lastly, I will go a step back. Then stream order 4, I'll click on it and change the color, let's say to red. And then let's increase the points, let's say to 5, and click on apply. So after I've done this, I can now close this page. You can see that I've styled my stream order. Then the next thing I can do, I can label it. And to do that, I'll just come to labeling. Then I will select the field I want to use to label it. So I will label it with Greek code. Here is Greek code so that it can show me 1, 2, 3. Then after that, I can choose the color I want to use to label it. Let's say I want to label it with this color. Then I will change the font, let's say to 20, and then come back here and click on label. So I've labeled it. The size is too big, so I can change it, let's say to 16, and click on label again. Yes, this is okay. Now this is the style I want, and I want to convert it to come to analysis, click on tools. So this will open the tools. Come to conversion tools. and then scroll down and look for KML. Here is it. Click to expand it. Then come to layer to KML. Click on it, and the input layer will be our stream order, that is this very layer. Then our output. So our output, you can navigate to your working folder. So let's save it here as stream order. Then click on save. Then leave other thing at default and click on run. So this will convert this shapefile to KML file, and the conversion is done. Now to verify, go to that folder, and if you go to that folder, here is it, stream order. Now it is time to open it and visualize it in Google Earth Pro. To visualize it, just double click it. This will automatically launch Google Earth and open the KML file in Google Earth Pro. Yes, it will take us to that very location, and here is it. So you can see it. Here is my stream order, and you can see it within this study area. Here are the streams and the stream order available in the area, from stream order 1 to stream order 4. In essence, this is how to convert shapefile to KML file and open it or visualize it in Google Earth Pro. If you have any question, let's know in the comment section. Thank you for watching.